Dear students, welcome back to today's video class. This is Tahira Binti Rashid, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Our today's video class is on MCQ of chapter 2, Rui Fish. Our first MCQ question is, which one is the paired fin of Rui fish? Here the options are A. Caudal fin, B. Pectoral fin, C. Dorsal fin, and D. Anal fin. We know that fins are the most distinctive features of a fish. Fins are mainly composed of bony rays or spines protruding from body with skin covering them and joining them together like a web fashion in most bony fishes. In Labiorhita, there are 5 types of fins. These are dorsal fin, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, anal fin, and caudal fin. Among the fins, dorsal, anal, and caudal fin are 1 in number, but pectoral and pelvic fins are 2 in number. So here the answer will pectoral fin. Our second question is, efferent branchial arteries carry blood to option A, heart, B, body, C, gill, and D, bulbous aorta. We know that arterial system of Labiorhita consists of efferent branchial arteries, number 2, efferent branchial arteries, and number 3, dorsal aorta and its branches. Efferent branchial arteries are the arteries which carry venous blood or carbon dioxide rich blood from heart to gills, and efferent branchial arteries are the arteries which carry oxygenated blood from gills to the different parts of the body. So here the answer will gill. Our next question is, the circulatory system of labio: 1. One-way circulation, 2. Carbon dioxide rich blood passes from heart to gill, 3. Heart's wall is made of pericardium. We know that the heart of Labiorhita is known as venous heart. In a complete circulation of body, the blood passes through the heart only once in a one-way direction. This type of blood circulation is known as single circuit circulation. On the other hand, we know that efferent branchial arteries carry venous blood from heart to the gills. On the other hand, the heart's wall of Labiorhita is made of hard elastic membrane called pericardium. So here the answer will 1, 2, and 3. That is D option. Now MCQ number 4. According to the stem, the organ contains 1. Oxygen, 2. Carbon dioxide, 3. Nitrogen. In the stem, the given organ is a swim bladder. We know that swim bladder is a gas-filled pneumatic duct lying dorsally to the digestive tract beneath vertebral column and kidneys outside of xylem of labio. In labio, swim bladder is a white, elongated, thin-walled sac-like structure divided by a transverse constriction into a smaller anterior chamber and larger posterior chamber. Swim bladder or air bladder filled with gases secreted by the anterior red gland and reabsorbed by the posterior red gland. Major portion of air bladder's gas is oxygen with trace amount of nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So here the answer will D, that is 1, 2 and 3, that is oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Our next MCQ question is the scales of Rui fish. Number 1, composed of lime and collagen fibers. Number 2, produced from the layer of the epidermis. Number 3, are main defensive organ. Which one of the following is correct? We know that the skin of Rui fish is covered by some bony plate-like structures which are known as scales. The scales of Rui fish are cycloid type, as the scales are circular in outline. These scales are produced from the mesodermal layer of epidermis. Chemically, these scales are composed of collagen fibers and lime. Scales are the main defensive organ of a fish. Other functions of fish are reduced barrier of water during locomotion, helps in the determination of age and growth rate, also helps in classification of fish. From the discussion, we can say that here the right answer is 1, 2, 3, that is number D. Thank you all.